Welcome ladies and gentlemen to BubblyTech. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic 2, or better known as the Redmi AirDots 2. These are a budget set of wireless earbuds made by Xiaomi. They're great and only cost $20. Let's get into the video and see just what you get when you buy them. So you'll receive the earbuds in this nice looking box. On the bottom side you'll find a sticker which you can use to check if you have an authentic Xiaomi product. I would recommend you do this since a lot of fake Xiaomi products are sold on sites like AliExpress or Alibaba. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and open the box. In the box you'll find the case with the earbuds inside. You'll also get a bag with different size silicone ear tips. And lastly, you'll also get a manual. The earbuds have a nice minimalistic and sleek design. The case as well as the earbuds are made from high quality plastic and have a nice matte black finish. The hinge for opening and closing the case feels smooth and has a nice bit of resistance. On the back you'll find a micro USB-C port for charging. Personally, I would have preferred seeing a USB-C port on the case since that would allow for faster charging. The case as well as the earbuds also have lights indicating charging and pairing. The earbuds also have physical buttons which are used for different types of commands. They have a nice click to them and feel solid. The earbuds are also IPX4 water resistant, which means you can use them when working out since they are resistant to sweat and mist. The battery life is also not that bad, with the earbuds lasting around 4 hours of playback time. That time also goes up to 12 hours if you include the case. To fully charge the case and the earbuds, it will take around about 2 hours. In terms of sound, the earbuds sound really good. The bass is smooth and not too overdone. The mids are warm and balanced. The highs are also good, but they do tend to distort at higher volumes. I would also like to mention that you can actually switch from mono to stereo with these earbuds. That is a great feature if you just want to use one for taking calls. Now, since you're going to be taking calls, I will say that the microphone is not that great on these earbuds. Here's an example of how they sound. This is an audio test of the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic 2 with no background noise, just the microphone itself. This is an audio test of the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic 2 in a coffee shop setting with background noise and people talking. As you can hear, the microphone does sound a bit quiet and muffled. That's probably because the microphone placement is quite terrible. Now let's cover how to connect the earbuds to your phone. To connect the earbuds, take both of them out at the same time and wait for them to turn on. The indicator should turn white and then start blinking white and red. This means the earbuds are connecting with each other. After this, the light should start slowly blinking white. This means you can turn on Bluetooth on your phone and the earbuds should connect. If that happens to not work, you can just restart the earbuds by holding the button down for 15 seconds and then going through the steps mentioned before. In terms of some useful commands, you can press the button down for 1 second to take a call or to pause a song. You can also press it down for 2 seconds to activate the assistant. I would like to have seen a bit more commands than just these 3. The assistant one I don't really particularly like. Would have preferred having a command for skipping songs, but if you don't mind using the assistant, then it should be fine. Now let's move on to the pros and cons. For the pros, the earbuds are affordable. Overall, they provide good sound quality. They're easy to connect. They allow you to switch between mono and stereo use. They also have good build quality and they have a nice, comfortable fit for most people. In terms of cons, I would have liked to have seen a USB-C cable instead of a micro USB. The microphone quality is quite bad. The commands aren't that good. And lastly, it doesn't come with a charging cable when you buy it. In conclusion, I would definitely recommend you go ahead and buy these earbuds if you want to use them on a day-to-day basis. They provide good sound quality. They're nicely built, they're sleek and comfortable to wear, and they're also water resistant. You can also use them for working out, which I personally do. I've never had any problems. Even when running, they stay nicely in my ears. The only thing that is an inconvenience is that you have to take your phone to answer calls, since a lot of the times people don't hear you with the microphone quality. But with that being said, this does conclude my review of these earbuds. If you want to buy them, I will leave a link down in the description. Whilst you're there, you can also subscribe and like the video. If you have suggestions on any other tech I should review, then put it down in the description and I might do them. With that being said, this was Bubbly and I'm signing out.